Hey guys, and welcome to my House of CB clothing haul. In today's video I'll be reviewing House of CB's 4 top purchases that I made and I personally love. Now I'll be reviewing the quality of the clothes as well as how to accessorize them and how they fit in terms of on the body and what occasions you can wear them to. Now if you don't already know me, my name is Chelsea Hirst and I post beauty, fashion and lifestyle related videos, especially leading a luxurious lifestyle. Now in terms of the purchases that I made, I will be talking about House of CB in just a moment. Please stay tuned for the rest of the video. I firstly want to put a little disclaimer out there to you guys that this is not a bragging or a showing off video. I personally love watching these videos and finding new brands online. I love watching other hauls about it. So if you love watching them like I do, please keep watching the video. Now, House of CB, if you guys aren't aware, it is a luxurious women's wear fashion label originated from London quite a while ago. Now, I will be showing you, like I said before, the top 4 purchases that I made. Now I will be reviewing them in terms of how they wear. I'll be showing you on the side right hand corner of the video how they wear on me and how to accessorize them. Now the beauty about these guys is that they can look really chic, elegant and classy without really doing much to the outfit. So you can pair them with some statement earrings like these ones that I have right now, or you can wear them with, you know, little basic rings like I've got on right now, and they will look amazing on any occasion. Now I'll be starting off with my first outfit, and before I get into that I just want to show you guys the packaging that it comes in. So this is the beautiful packaging that it comes in. So as you can see, really luxurious. It does come with tissue paper inside, so because the clothes are quite, you know, a little bit on the pricey end, they do definitely give the luxurious packaging inside. Now without further ado, I'm going to show you the first outfit. So the first outfit that I want to show you guys is the Tomlin tan midi vest dress. Now this is what the dress looks like. It's a beautiful nude bodycon dress. Now this dress is very versatile, so it actually goes not specifically to the feet or the ankles, it does go past the knee like a bodycon dress. Now the beauty about it is that you can definitely dress it up. Like I said before, you can dress it up with these Zara earrings, you can wear them with more minimal jewelry, and this would actually go perfect with whatever heels that you guys desire. So whether it is a nude pump, but I personally love a classic traditional black pump, and even the Valentino rock studs would go perfect with this dress. In the winter time, now I know we are in summer in Australia right now, but in the winter time you can definitely pair it with a beautiful leather jacket with those black little leather boots. That would go perfect in terms of the winter time, but even in the summer period, if it is a little bit cool in the evening, you can definitely wear it with a long black cardigan with, like I said, heels. You cannot go wrong. And the fabric is very stretchy, so as opposed to wearing a really tight and unflattering dress where you can't actually, you know, eat in it, move around, dance in it, if you're going out for a birthday party or something along those lines, you can definitely move in it, and it's very stretchy in that way. So it does definitely give in terms of if you guys are moving around a lot. So that is that dress done and dusted. If you guys have any questions about it, please leave them in the comments below, but I will definitely be linking this dress in the description bar as well for you guys to check out. So the next purchase that I made from House of CB was the amber white oversized shirt dress. Now you guys, I have been searching far and wide for a beautiful white shirt dress, specifically to match with those beautiful Gucci belts that are very in at the moment with the gold G. Now that dress that I purchased from House of CB, it does that. It is so gorgeous, as you can see, very thick in the fabric, but don't be alarmed. So the dress is thick, but like I said, it does give that oversized feel. It does come off the shoulders, so it creates that beautiful youthful effect, especially to the skin. If you guys do want to put some beautiful highlight on the collarbone here, as we are in the summer season, I do like to obviously tan to be a little bit darker as well, and it really accentuates that look in the summertime with the beautiful whites. I love wearing white in the summertime. Now another thing I want to point out, another tip for you guys if you are looking to make this purchase, is that the sleeves do come out to, I want to say here, so you can definitely wear a little watch underneath, but if you guys are eating, you can definitely take this and then roll it inwards like that. That will definitely allow you guys to eat with it if you guys are doing that and going out for a dinner or something along those lines. That is a dress, so I again will link that down in the description bar. In terms of the way jewelry goes, I would definitely say less is more with this purchase. So I would pair it with maybe a little bracelet, a few little stackable rings, especially if you guys are wearing it with a belt. That would be, I'd say, the statement piece being the belt and the beautiful dress that just flows with it nicely. In terms of occasions, now you guys can definitely wear this out to, you know, go shopping. You can wear it to a beautiful birthday party, a night out with the girls. It is very, very versatile. You can dress it up, dress it down. In terms of heels, now I would wear even black or nude heels, even a pop of color. If you guys have red heels or anything like that, because it is white, it is quite plain, that will definitely pop in terms of color with that added effect on the dress. So that is dress number 2. If you guys have any questions, like I said, leave them down in the comments. Okay, so this brings me to the beautiful Bond girl feel, look like $1 million outfit. It is the red Benedetta jumpsuit from House of CB. You guys can look so elegant, classy, but $1 million in this outfit. Now, this is what it looks like without further ado. Oh, whoops, wrong way. That is it from the front. Now it is quite loose from the front, as you guys can see. It does definitely hug the waist in, but that it is quite free flowing from the bottom. Definitely pair it with high heels. I would definitely go with nude heels, nude pumps, then pair it with some dainty jewelry. Now I wouldn't really go too extravagant and bold with the jewelry. You can definitely go that way if you guys want to rock it, but I would definitely pair it with some dainty pieces like the jewelry I'm wearing right now. As it is red and quite bold in itself, that is a statement piece. You can wear it to any high-end event. I definitely won't be wearing this to the local shops or anything like that. Wearing it to cocktail parties, birthday parties, or any high-fashioned events would be superb with this outfit. I would wear my hair maybe even down like this, where it is quite straight. You can pair it up, but I would definitely have the hair quite simple, even if you do want to pop some earrings in here, not as big as these ones obviously, but quite chic, and have them dangling down and then just peeking through like that. Even if you want to do minimal makeup, if it is more of a high-end event, definitely do the smoky eye look and so forth, whatever you guys like. That is the outfit. I do want to point out, you can put fashion tape on here. It is quite free flowing here, so I would put fashion tape on there, as it does move quite a lot, so you guys won't have to be anxious when you're walking around or even dancing in it. That is the red jumpsuit. Like I said, $1 million Bond girl outfit. Stay tuned for the next one in just a moment. Okay guys, so this brings me to my final and favorite dress out of the whole entire video. So it is the black Luciana seamless strapless knit dress. Now, the main reason why I love this one the best is that it gives that beautiful hourglass shape. It is so elegant and versatile. It's that classic little black dress to add to anyone's collection. So this is the beautiful dress. It's very similar to the other nude dress that I showed you guys at the start of the video, so it definitely doesn't go right up to the feet or on the knees. It's definitely past the knees. As you can see, that's the dress. It does hug the waist in, so you guys will definitely get that hourglass figure very easily. And the reason why I love it is you can dress it up, dress it down. Now, like I said, you can wear it with statement pieces like the other dresses in the video. So if you want to pair it with bigger, like embellished statement necklaces, statement earrings, or if you want to wear beautiful, lavish, luxurious shoes like the Valentino Rock studs, you can definitely do it that way. This is a beautiful cocktail dress. Now, beautiful for any event, so whether it is a birthday party, whether it is a beautiful fashion event, anything like that, you can wear it to. Now, I want to point out, it's not just an evening black dress. You can definitely wear it during the day casually with a nice chic denim jacket with some, you know, nude sandals. I love wearing it in the evening. I love having, you know, a red lippy. Even if you want to pop your hair up, put it with some statement earrings. That looks so elegant and versatile. This dress is my favorite. Like I said, I've got a lot of black dresses. This definitely goes far to outshine the other ones due to how well it fits on the body, how it hugs to give you that beautiful hourglass figure. So that is my last dress out of all of them. I do love them all, but that is definitely my favorite dress out of the House of CB collection. Okay, so this brings me to the end of the House of CB try-on clothing haul for you guys. Now, just as a quick recap, House of CB, like I said, they are originally from London, but like from myself, I am from Australia, so they do ship internationally, and the shipping was really good. So it only took around 3 to 6 business days to come across. If you guys know of any other luxury, beautiful clothing brands, please feel free to share them in the comments below. Like I said, share this with your friends if everyone else is interested in these luxury brands in terms of looking for an outfit at a special event to go to. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more beauty, lifestyle and fashion related videos, so please stay tuned. Before I let you guys go, I want to let you know with the sizing. Now, I personally myself, I am a clothing size 8 Australian. I would recommend you guys, if you're making a purchase from House of CB, to definitely measure yourself properly. They are true to size. I wouldn't go up or down in size. I would definitely stay true to size. That is pretty much all the advice I can give you. They do have, I believe it is around 2 weeks to exchange it back or get a refund if the size isn't good as well. And that's pretty much it. If you guys, like I said, want to see more videos, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.